Hello everyone. As a member of the Walton family and a leader within Walmart, I have seen firsthand the incredible impact that a company can have on the world. But what I am most proud of is the way that Walmart has empowered individuals to achieve their own dreams and aspirations. I am a firm believer that success is not just about achieving financial wealth or status. True success comes from living a fulfilling and purpose-driven life, and making a positive impact on the world around us. Throughout my own life, I have been inspired by the idea of continuous learning and growth. I believe that we are all capable of achieving incredible things, but it requires a commitment to self-improvement and a willingness to embrace new challenges. One of the key lessons that I have learned over the years is the importance of taking calculated risks. While it can be tempting to play it safe and stick with what we know, it is often through taking risks that we discover our true potential. Of course, with risk comes the possibility of failure. But I believe that failure is not something to be feared, but rather embraced as an opportunity to learn and grow. It is through our failures that we gain new insights and develop the resilience necessary to succeed in the future. Another important aspect of success is the ability to stay focused on our goals, even in the face of distractions and obstacles. It is easy to get sidetracked by the daily grind, but it is important to remember our larger purpose and stay committed to the things that matter most to us. Finally, I want to emphasize the importance of giving back to others. Whether it is through philanthropic work, volunteering, or simply showing kindness and compassion to those around us, giving back is essential to living a fulfilling life. In closing, I want to encourage all of you to embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, and to never stop learning and growing. With hard work, determination, and a commitment to making a positive impact in the world, anything is possible. Thank you for the opportunity to speak with you today, and I wish you all the best on your own personal journeys of success and fulfillment.